How to fix SPSS for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall SPSS from your Mac, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop SPSS if it's currently running pgrep SPSS/dev/null, then echo stopping SPSS osascript quit app SPSS fi #remove SPSS application and related files echo removing SPSS sudo rmrf/application/ibm/rmrf/library/application/support/com ibm.spss.statistics.27/ rmrf/library/caches/com ibm.spss.statistics.27/ rmrf/library/preferences/com ibm.spss.statistics.27.list rmrf/library/save \application\state/com ibm.spss.statistics.27.saved_state/echo SPSS has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. 1. It checks if SPSS is currently running and stops it if it is. 2. It removes the SPSS application from the applications folder. 3. It removes the SPSS related files from the user's library folder. 4. It displays a message confirming that SPSS has been uninstalled. To use the script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_spss.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_spss.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_spss.sh. Note that you'll need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the SPSS application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.